Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today we'll be doing the 3D market commentary. Today is November 3rd, 2021. The disclaimer is running there for your use, your protection, your understanding. Please make sure to read it, and we'll be getting started with the 3D market commentary. All right. So this is what it would look like, the 3D market commentary coming into your inbox. Why do we call it a 3D market commentary? Because we do look at three dimensions of the instruments that we look at. We're looking at the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Market climate is giving us that direction, whether we should be looking for long, short, or if it's unconfirmed, whether we should be sitting on our hands. Buy and sell UFOs are patented and proprietary technology that's responsible for the upcoming turning points, right? So we're looking at for entries or potential exits. And then, of course, the market volatility that lets us know if we should be adjusting our risk to reward tolerance or ratios depending on how we're trading the markets. All right, first, and by far probably the largest, the S&P 500. Current market climate's up. It's confirmed. It is 14 days out of typically 9 that it goes up for. Let me just double check something here. It is okay. Looks like we're good. Yep. We have a couple of buy UFOs right where price is right now. Actually, 46.1950 to 46 to 45.59.25. Based on the VIX, we're looking at 16.07% daily expected move, 46 points. The big, we had a pullback as we've talked about even yesterday, but then, we tested, retested that area right there where there was a lot of consolidation, and we've just launched all the way up to new highs from there. It is interesting to see this happened when there was a lot of bears going and saying this is it, this is where we're going to tank from, and then ultimately the market just decided to do what it wanted to do, which is go to new all-time highs, reconfirming that the uptrend that we've been going on for is in fact intact. All right, now if you're looking to educate yourself, we do offer future stocks, forex, back testing, trading plans, and trading psychology courses. And actually a few more exciting ones coming up as well. We do also have a 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs and AutoClimate should you choose to subscribe to any of the courses. All right, now we have crude oil. All right, so crude is still up. It is confirmed the fourth out of typically 7. However, as we see today, we have, looks like we do have a gap down. I'm not sure if this is rollover. I'll have to check. But again, we closed up here in the we closed at the 83.91 area, 90.91, yeah. And we opened at 83.07, so we gapped down almost a point, almost $1, and now we're trading at 81.97. Buy UFO down below 78.86, 74.96. OVX has it at 35% volatility, so a little bit elevated volatility. $1.84 for the day already achieved before it opens. So this is either some news or something's going on. Usually overnight this type of move that definitely signals something. If you need AutoUFOs, please use this link here to subscribe to them. They are available on TradeStation, TradingView, and MetaTrader 5, as well as our very own platform top, the TRADDICTIV Options Planner. If you want, we also offer monthly or yearly memberships for your convenience. All right. Next market is gold. Okay. For gold, we have an unconfirmed climate now. Yet again, price is currently stuck between two UFOs. Interestingly enough. So we have 1804.4 to 1866, 1786 to 1760.3. Price did test into that UFO up here again, only to see a deep pullback down below as well. Based on GVZ, we're looking at 16.49% volatility. Now, if you need coaching or support, we do have an all asset advanced coaching by using this link here that has monthly, yearly, or all inclusive memberships. This allows you to book a session with any one of the instructors on the channel one on one for as long as you need it, as little as you need it, whatever the case may be. All right, the next one we have the dollar. So the dollar is in an up climate. It's confirmed the third out of 5 days. 94.57 to 94.235 is the sell UFO up above. 92.88 to 92.310 is the UFO below, which obviously overlaps or touches almost 92.290 to 91.800. Based on the EVZ, the dollar is at 5.5%. And of course, many of you maybe don't trade the dollar, but the way the dollar moves typically impacts how the other currencies move. So it's very important to understand what the dollar is doing. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview, if you'd rather join us here on YouTube, this is the link to go to. This will take you to our YouTube channel where you can like and subscribe and hit that little notification icon to make sure that you are up to date with anything that we transmit via YouTube. Anything that we post on YouTube, any of our channels that any of our instructors that go on the daily sessions, they will be alerted on YouTube as well. All right. Last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. Bitcoin again, it went all the way up to new all-time highs, above excuse me, above 66,000. It has pulled back a little bit since then. Looks like it did find some buyers here around the 58, 60,000 area. And not only that, but it actually made a new UFO there. And now a new UFO has been formed above 60,000 as well, which is a 6390 to 62777.5. BVIN is 85% volatility, $3,400 per day movement. So, of course, that's expected if you are trading Bitcoin. All right. Now, if you're interested in having any questions you want to go over with a live, real human being, you can most definitely click on the link here to schedule a clarification call to go over any courses, apps, coaching, or memberships. This is a real person can call you at the time of your choosing to go over any questions you may have before you buy. All right, now looking at news for the rest of the week. So we got ECB speech here, ADP, ISM, rate decision. Of course, it's Fed day today, so Federal meeting minutes, press conference, holiday looks like in India and Russia, trade balance in Australia, and then a whole bunch of news for Britain, including a rate decision as well, vote rate hike also. To be seen how it's going to go. Another speech by the ECB, and that's that. All right, folks, it's been my pleasure. And also on Friday, we have retail sales, non-farm payrolls. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will catch you in a bit with the Forex session.